Welcome back to Natty here. It's almost Christmas, and we want to share some pinecone inspiration for your Christmas home decorations, especially if you're procrastinating. The following decorations are easy to make and not hard on the wallet. Let's discuss the materials we used, and then we'll show the end result. And please remember to like and comment so we know you like this. For decoration number 1, the materials we used were pine cones, a cloth, a basket or bin, preferably white paint, styrofoam, pine needles, and a ribbon. Here's the result. This can work as a great minimalist centerpiece or just as additional Christmas decor throughout the house. If you wanted to add a little something extra, this could be a great Christmas-themed bowl for your potpourri. Beautiful for your eyes and nose. For decoration number 2, the materials we used were pine cones, dried bamboo reeds, a vase, white paint, styrofoam, glue, Christmas lights, and a cord. But you can use a ribbon if you can't find a cord. Here's our result. This is an excellent centerpiece, especially if you have a high ceiling. A definite talking point, and you're sure to grab your guests' attention. For our third decoration, the materials we used were pine cones, branches, flat ribbon, a plastic cylinder or a vase, white paint, styrofoam, glue, and Christmas lights. However, those are optional, and you'll see why in a second. And here is our result. The first 2 images are with the plastic container and no lights. We added lights and changed the plastic out for a vase for a different holiday look. A unique twist on the traditional Christmas tree.